Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about an incredible platform that if you're already spending money, this platform actually rewards you and giving you some of the money that you spend back. So if you're interested to learn how to do exactly that, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Right, so first of all, what is Plutus? So as they like to call it, true financial freedom, and they receive a UK sort code and account number or European IBAN within minutes. So if you want to get started and open an account, and in a few minutes you will understand exactly why you should consider to open an account, and actually you click in here and actually you can get started, and then you sign up and you do all the process of signing up, and then that's it. Okay, and then you click on create a Plutus account, fill in some details, and then you will be able to get started. So first of all, what is Plutus? Okay, so their card of Plutus is actually a highly rewarding debit card, and you can earn up to 3% in crypto rewards when you spend with a Plutus card. And in order to get started, you just click in here. If you want to join their Discord to hear about product announcements, you can click just in here on the website. You will be able to do that. Now, they also have an opportunity on fiat money and also on crypto, and the crypto is only available in the EEA. Now, you can actually convert your PLU or Ethereum into a spendable card balance, which is incredible because instead of paying fees about converting your crypto to your currency, you can directly do that with the card and to save a lot of time. It's actually also your getaway to DeFi because they made it possible to link your personal cryptocurrency wallet to your Plutus card without revealing your private keys. It means that you can convert your crypto assets to fund your Plutus card and without having to trust any centralized third party. So not your keys, not your crypto, as you all know. So when you have your keys, so it means that it's your crypto, and that's why actually the possibility to link your personal cryptocurrency wallet to the Plutus card, it's actually what makes the process decentralized and also absolutely in your control. You can unlock rewards. As you can see in here, you can get 3% of crypto rewards that you earn upon every Plutus card payment that you do, and you have also additional perks. Now, to unlock the increased rewards, there's rates, buy, and other benefits. You need to go to rewards and actually go to Plutus perks, and then you will be able to see that what is actually. So you can stake Plu to unlock additional benefits on top of the 3% crypto rewards that you have. And as you can see in here, it's exactly like a cashback mechanism. And you will be able to see what perks you have by clicking in here, but because I'm not logging in currently, so I cannot see the perks that I have. But in general, the main idea of Plutus Perks is that the Plutus Perks program provides their premium and pro members additional benefits on top of existing the 3% crypto reward. If you're a person that actually doing a lot of transactions, so it might be a good idea to consider. This includes increased rewards rates at selected online brands, as you can see, like the brands in here. So if you're using Airbnb, Amazon, Nike, Lenovo, or Logitech, like places that we all, like most people, use online. So you can actually include the increased rewards, which is great because if you already, let's say you wanted to get a new computer at Lenovo, so at least you will get also rewards on this investment, okay? And that way you spend less. How does the staking work is that you will receive 3% in PLU rewards every time you spend with your Plutus card. And this will automatically unlock the additional perks, which you can view in the Plutus dashboard. Now, there are 5 levels, 1 to 3 levels. The first 3 levels unlock the new retail brands at which you can earn additional PLU. Now, in levels 4 and 5, there are bonus levels that actually unlock reward that are higher rates and with other perks as well. So if you want to get your Plutus account now, you can get by clicking the link down below, plutus.it, and you can open the account that you want. Now, if you want to learn more, so you can get to their article at Medium, and then you will get to this page and you will see a lot of details, especially on their subscription program. Now, in this article, for example, you can see the explanations about the subscription plan and staking levels, which is what you want to know if you want to get started with it, because the subscription plans of fiat For example, there are the starter, the everyday, and the premium. And the starter, as you can see, 0. The everyday is 4.99 a month, and the premium is 14.99 a month. So if you're making a lot of transactions, it's a bit higher than the everyday and starter. Maybe it will be smart for you to use this plan, because maybe it will actually help you to save more money. So think about it that way, because sometimes if you're playing on a subscription a little bit more, so sometimes people think about it like, okay, wait, I'm going to pay more, but they don't always consider the fact that sometimes this spending will save them a lot of money. Okay, like in the country of, like, let's say that you're paying health insurance every single month, and suddenly, God forbid, something happens, so you're glad that you spend monthly, let's say for a year or something like that, about your health insurance, because you had some additional expenses that if you didn't have this health insurance, you would pay like 10 times or even 20 times more than you should right now. Now, the rewards about every subscription plan offers a minimum of 3% crypto rewards, as you all know, and PLU as standard. Now, the reward limit of your subscription plan will determine how much your card can spend, okay? And you can earn rewards on it. Now, the rewards limits are actually that in the starter plan, you're getting to rewards up to £250 worth of spending each month. So you will get around 7.5 pounds of worth of rewards. In the everyday plan, rewards on up to £2,000 worth of spending each month, so you will get rewards that are worth about £60. And in the premium, rewards on up to 22,500 worth of spending, in of course in pounds, each month, so you will be able to get rewards of £675, which is, it's a tremendous amount. So if you're already spending this amount, so at least you will be able to get some of it back, so it's great. Now, important note that this is not your card spending limit, okay? All subscription plans can spend a maximum of 22,500 with their Plutus cards, okay? Now, so remember that, because it's important. Now, about the perks. So Plutus is simplifying the perks model, and it's easier to use and adding 20 plus new perks, so customers can select the perks of their preference. Okay, so upgrading your subscription plan increases the number of perks that you get. Now, by the way, this is the value of most perks. If you want to boost your subscription plan, you can actually do staking. So as you can see, there is staking levels, and that way the money that you're already getting, as I said, it's kind of like a cashback, okay, that you get in PLU. So you can actually stake it, and then you will be able to make even more. You can get 4% reward, 5% reward, 6% reward, and even 8% reward, which is incredible. So if you're interested to get this incredible opportunity of getting back some of the money that you're spending and also be able to stake it and then to make more interest on it, make sure to go to Plutus.it by clicking the link down below to get started. Now, the main idea of how the perks are actually working is that in the new model, customers get to choose from, as I said, selection of 20 plus perks, and they were selected based on the feedback from their ambassadors program and public surveys. And Plutus has picked perks that we know are in high demand and will add real value to their community's everyday life. So for example, you can see the first set of 10 perks that are being added. So as you can see, there are some things in here that almost every person on this planet has, like Netflix and Spotify and using Amazon Prime. And you can get also here, as you can see, credit and booking and much more. And the number of perks a customer gets to choose depends on their subscription plan and staking level, as I said. So make sure that if there are some opportunities that you have in here that you can actually get, like some perks that you can get, and it depends on your subscription, think about it, because maybe it will be profitable to you to pay a specific amount on subscription plan, and that way you will be able to save and actually enjoy the benefits of some of the perks in here. Now, all the perks will be paid out in PLU, so keep it in mind. Now, for subscription-based perks, customers will get 100% of the perks fee back in the PLU rewards. So as you can see, you will be able to save some money. And for regular merchant related perks, customers will get up to fixed amount of PLU rewards on their monthly shopping. And by the way, there's a cool tweet, as you can see in here, that getting a monthly coffee allowance doesn't seem like a bad idea. And it's pretty cool, because think about it. If you have money that you're already spending every single month, why not to get some of that back? But it's great. It's free money, okay? Because if you're already doing it, at least get some back. Now, how do Plutus NFTs work? So these are the purpose-built utility-based collectibles that unlock free subscriptions and higher PLU rewards and perks, as well as higher rewards limit on card spend. And there are a lot more details on this that will be revealed in due time. So make sure that you will stay notified by going to the website by clicking the link down below, and go to their social media and go to their Discord as well, in order to stay notified about every announcement that you have. So for example, in their FAQs, you will be able to see a lot of answers, and also on their website you will be able to read a lot about the company and about the team, and to read in the blog about different options and different new things that there is in this incredible company. And also you can see in here this plans. Okay, so as you've seen in the article, you can see here the details of the plan in a more organized way. And as you can see that you have exchange fee and you have the cost of the card order. So as you can see, that it doesn't matter which subscription you choose, the card price is the same. So think about it. It doesn't matter which plan you choose if for the card, okay? But you have a lot of benefits. So a great idea if you're considering to change your credit card, or at least to add one, and also to have the opportunity to get some from the things that you're spending back. Make sure that you're going through your credit and your debit, in general, your expenses, and understand if this is an option that can help you to make more money and to save money, okay? Because this is one of their main purpose, to help their community. And that's why also the rewards are based on what is the most beneficial for the community and their users. Now, the process to sign up, it will be very, very easy. And if you will have any questions about everything, you can go to their support, as you can see in here, and you can scroll down, as I said, to get to their social media, their Twitter, and their Discord. And also you can read a lot more about everything that you need right here. Just scroll to the further, and also you can click I will move me, and then you will be able to see also that you can see the live support. Wait a minute. And as you can see in here, that you have on the side their support, and that way you will be able to get suggestion and also to talk in live chat, and that way to get all the help that you need in order to maximize your profits and actually maximize your enjoyment from using this card, which is actually will help you to spend crypto from anywhere around the world. And also you will be able to swap crypto assets on the Plutus DEX and actually convert Pluton and Ethereum with Euro at the verified spot rate. And you can sell crypto instantly, fund your Plutus account or card, and you can buy crypto and purchase the crypto directly from their Plutus members. So if you're interested to learn more, you can click in here, and then you will be able to enjoy the non-confidential and peer-to-peer platform that you can see in here. And by the way, one last thing, if it will help you to stay even more calm and to understand the power of this incredible company, you can go to the security section and to learn about their security for crypto and their security for fiat, which is something that is very important to look at when you're considering to have a debit or a credit card, or in general anything that related to your finance. It's important to know about the security aspects to understand if it's the right company to work for you. So for summary, if you would like to manage your finance, earn rewards, and unlock additional benefits beside the 3% already incredible that you can get back in crypto about your spendings, make sure to go to Plutus.it by clicking the link down below in order to get started and open an account. And if you want to learn more about the rewards that you are going to receive when you get started one of their plans, make sure to go to the rewards section and to read about it. And if you want to learn more about the company, as I said, go to the About Us section and read much more. And by the way, the process will take you less than 2 minutes to set up, and the verification are super quick and there are no restrictions. You just transfer funds, make payments, and track your expenses. So if you're interested and consider to get started, go to the Plutus.it by clicking the link down below in order to make your financial management the best and easiest as possible and the most organized as possible. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.